Dundee side coming vry whistling and playing, and he's lichted at Brackley's just as the day dawned. He's rapid full loudly, and we a great roar shouted, "Come down here, Brackley, and open your door." Are ye sleeping, Brackley, or are ye waking? For the sharp swords are at ye, and will gar your bleeding. Come down here, ye coward, if ye hae a will, and upon your green loaning your bleed it will spill. If ye be hard witty fous, ride ye on by, ging down to the lowlands and steal the fat guy. But if ye be gentlemen, licht and come in, gin ye drink o' my wine, ye'll nae gar my bleed rin. But it's upspak his lady, at his back far she's laid. Gae down there, my husband, and prove nae a coward. Oh, hold your tongue, Peggy, dinna mak sic a din. For you see they're near 40, and we're but found men. But she's cried on her maidens to come to her hand. Tak up your rocks, lassies, we will them command. Gin I had a husband, but you see I hae nane, he wouldna lie in bed and watch his kyteen. Hold your tongue, Peggy, and gie me my gun, and I will ging out, though I'll never come in. Van Brackley was busket and stood in the close, na bonny or gallant, mounted a horse. At the head o' the Etnach the battle began, and at Little Ochilsey they've killed the first man. Well, it's first they've killed a man, and syne they've killed twa, and they've killed Gallon Brackley, the floor o' them a'. Oh, come ye by Brackley, and was ye in there, and saw ye his Peggy arriving her hair? And I come by Brackley's, and I gaed in there, and I saw his fine lady, she was braiding her hair. She was ranting, she was dancing, she was singing for joy, and swore on that neck she would feast in Varai. Well, she's drank wi' him, laughed wi' him, welcomed him ben, and she's lain wi' the villain, fast slew her good man. Well, fie on ye, lady, how could ye they say, and open your gates to the foss in Varai? There's dule in the kitchen and mirth in the hall, and the Baron o' Brackley is dead and awa'.